The Big Bang Explained, simply a step-by-step guide to how the universe began. Have you ever wondered where everything came from? Not just Earth, but everything. The dot zooms out into stars and galaxies. Today, we're going to understand the Big Bang, the scientific explanation of how our universe began. The Big Bang was not an explosion in space grid, representing space stretching outward. It was an expansion of space itself, balloon with dots drawn on it. Imagine the universe like the surface of a balloon. As the balloon inflates, the dots move away from each other. Balloon surface equals space dots equals galaxies. The dots aren't moving on their own. The space between them is stretching. Universe shrinking backward in time. If we rewind time, everything comes closer together. Universe becomes extremely small and bright. About 13.8 billion years ago, the universe was incredibly hot, dense, and tiny. Science cannot describe what happened before this moment. The Big Bang describes how the universe expanded, not what caused it. 0-second space begins expanding, energy filling space. After 1 second, basic particles form. Quarks and electrons labeled after 3 minutes. The first atoms begin to form, mostly hydrogen and helium. Atoms forming with labels. At first, the universe was too hot for light to travel, like trying to see through thick fog. Fog slowly clearing. After about 380,000 years, the universe cooled enough for light to move freely. Cosmic microwave background (CMB). That light still exists today, and we can detect it with telescopes. Gravity pulled gas together into clouds. Clouds collapsing. As they squeezed tighter, stars were born. First stars igniting. Stars grouped into galaxies like cities of billions of suns. Label, stars, galaxies. The universe is still expanding today. Like raisins moving apart in rising bread dough. Bread dough animation with raisins. Every galaxy sees others moving away, no center, no edge. Galaxy redshift light stretches as galaxies move away. Cosmic microwave background leftover heat from the early universe. Light element abundance, correct amounts of hydrogen and helium. Each point shown with simple diagrams. Together, these clues tell the same story. It is not a bomb. It is not a sound. It did not happen at one spot. It happened everywhere at once. Earth from space. Zoom out to galaxies. Every atom in your body was formed because the universe began expanding. The Big Bang is not just a theory about the past. It's as the reason stars shine, planets exist, and we are here to ask questions. The universe began with a simple expansion, and from it came everything.